Alright, Matt, what's going on?
Hey guys, so while the BMW is down, I've been driving this, and last night we decided that we were going to make a run to the gas station, and it's pretty hard getting in and out of gear, right Marshall?
Oh yeah, it was impossible.
Oh, yeah. So come to find out that we have a little leak in our slave cylinder here, and we're hoping that's the entire issue, so we ran over to our local Napa. If you're looking for the part number should be right here, the P22902, and that will get you a new replacement of a slave cylinder. So we're gonna walk you through it and show you how to change it. Let's do it. $16.49 for this part. This is probably, I don't know, I guess it is kind of expensive. It's more than that battery. So this bugger just pops in, I would assume. I should probably take the other one out first though.
Yeah, let's take the other one out. You're going to want to put some PB Blaster on the brake line fitting, which is right there. Or clutch line fitting, I guess.
Yeah, it's all bright. It's all the same.
Yeah.
Also, if you want to save yourself some time, get yourself a line wrench. It's a 10 mil for this slave cylinder. Start by taking this line off, if I can. I might not be able to do it with this line wrench. It's like that's never been changed. So it looks like it'll be a 12 millimeter socket for the two bolts at the bottom.
So right now, guys, we still have the fitting in here, but we took the brake line off from the rubber connection, and Matt is going to remove the two bolts from the bottom of the slave cylinder here. Maybe.
That one's loose.
And then we will remove the whole slave cylinder.
Are you able to grab her from the top? Grab the line.
Yep, I got it.
Got her. Ooh.
Something fell out.
That was my bolt.
Yeah, so this part of the line here was a bit corroded, so we pulled it off of this fitting. Looks good to me.
Definitely for something that came out of the bottom of the ocean. Okay, so this line here seems to have probably just corroded itself to the fitting, so the whole thing twists in there, which makes it easier if you pull it out by removing this end of the fitting, if it's possible.
Yep.
Look how dark that fluid is.
Still some fluid in there.
I don't know where it would be leaking from though.
Yeah, pull it. Oh!
Jeez.
That's where it's leaking from. Right here somewhere. Where all that rusted shit is. Look at that blackness that was inside of that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever, because this is like a plunger.
Right.
There's a plunger in there, like a syringe. And there's a gasket around it. So once the cylinder goes bad or the gasket goes bad, just the tip.
Oh yeah, I can feel that brake fluid in a cut in my finger.
Oh.
It's kicking in.
He's got oil in his veins. Literally.
Can't stop it.
And some on his face too. Oh. Man, who put all these tech screws in your car?
No idea. Must have been the previous owner.
Yeah, must have been the previous one.
So if you see here, our opening is smaller than our actual rod here, but it's rubber, so it should probably just push in.
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
There we go.
You got to get it up past that other part, huh?
I believe so. I didn't happen to look at the other one, really.
Oh, all that was sticking out was the ball.
Yep. That's how you do it.
That's the trick, guys.
We should probably put the line back on first, huh?
Okay guys, we're gonna get the fittings to spin on the line so that we can easily reinstall it.
Maybe.
Possibly.
Yeah, okay. It's kind of moving. That's the one that goes into the cylinder, though. So
we're gonna put it back in the cylinder like that, and then in 10 years when it rusts out, we'll put a new line on there.
Probably got 20 years.
20 years.
Before the line rusts out, not the car.
Yeah. Just that one spot. German spec. Guten tight.
Yeah, I mean.
Guten tight.
Oop.
Yep.
Guten loose now.
Guten loose.
Should be alright.
We knocked the boot off the transmission last night when we were diagnosing the situation. We'll cut to that now. Okay, there's that, and then this goes this way. Hold on, gotta get around that. There we go.
I don't know if it's lined up on there at all.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
I can't feel it.
It's not. Okay guys, Matt got the slave cylinder bolted back in. I'm going to pull this boot back here and just check to make sure that the push rod is orientated correctly.
I hope it is. I don't want to take it back off.
And as you can see right there, the shiny ball is right where it's supposed to be on the clutch fork there. So I'll go ahead and put the boot back in.
Alright, so that's back on. Now we just hook up the line and bleed it.
Gotta rehook this line up, which is pointing at the fan now, so we're gonna massage it straight without putting any kinks in it.
Okay, sure.
And by we, I mean Matt. There you go. That's it, he did it. Okay guys, we have to bleed the system now.
So we top her off a little bit here first.
Yeah, there's going to.
Oh shit.
Pour oil all over his car. Don't bring me down. While he's pouring oil in, we have a hose running from the bleeder screw into our bleeding system here, which is a bottle and a shoe.
Just fucking rub it all around.
Rub it in real good like.
Not that I'm overly concerned about the paint.
Well, that's the best fender. That's the best paint.
I was just talking about how nothing on this car was clean. If nothing else, that brake fluid cleaned it. Okay, so probably figure out what size wrench this guy is, so I can crack that open.
It's tiny. It looks like an 8.
Yeah.
Or maybe a 7 even.
Got a 7 right here. It's not a 7. It's probably not even an 8. Probably standard.
3/16.
Yeah. An 8. At least works. Alright.
Okay, we got the slave cylinder bleeder cracked open.
Give her a few pumps.
Matt's gonna pump it.
Right down the floor.
There's air bubbles coming up. So it's definitely working.
There's the bubbles coming?
Nope, keep pumping. Oh, we need to put more brake fluid in it now.
Oh.
It's so dark yet.
Yeah. That's just all the stuff coming back up.
Yeah. The camera died, but we got brake fluid to come through now. And you can see how black it is. This is probably never been changed.
No.
I'm going to say never.
Well, it changed it. We changed it when we did the engine swap.
Oh, flushed it when we did the engine swap, so it's about 5 or more years. So we're just going to keep pumping and running it through until we get at least a little bit clearer than mud. Okay guys, we rerouted our hose and you can see all the air bubbles coming out of the system here. Yep, give her another pump. Another one. Alright. There's some little tiny air bubbles in there, but you can kind of still see it flowing that way.
Go again a little more. We got 2 random pumps.
I mean, it's just bleeding by itself now.
Alright.
Yeah. Just let her go and see what happens. Is it going? Is that getting empty? So we got all the air bubbles out of the line. We got our sauce topped up. What are we gonna do next, Matt?
Well, now we gotta basically put her on the ground and drive around the block and see if we lose all pressure again or not. I don't think we will, though.
I think it's gonna work.
Yep, we should be good. Let's find out. So, the clutch feels great right now, but
we haven't moved yet.
Works. Well, it hasn't snubbed out.
Yeah, it did snub out last night.
Is the heat on? Feels good. Pedal's not dropping to the floor or anything.
I didn't see any fluid leaking, so we got the fittings on properly. Okay guys, the Daily Del Sol has been rescued again.
Yep, once again back on the road.
liked this video, or you learned anything, or you didn't like it.
Like, subscribe, comment, you know, let us know what you think, and we'll bring you around next time it breaks. Stay tuned.
Peace out.